Hey everybody, it's Ivy, and today I'm going to show you this beautiful curly vacation ready hair. You guys, I love it so much. This is one of my favorite units to date. Like, I'm just in love with it. It is so pretty. It's just perfect for spring and summer. So if you guys want more information on this look, keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so today we're doing a hair video, okay? And right now I just have on a little thingy over my edges, keeping them nice and laid, preparing it for my unit. Today I'm using natural light for this video, so I'm sorry if the lighting goes in and up and down. This is why I don't really like to use natural lighting, but I love the way it makes the videos look. Doesn't it look so crisp? Yeah. So today I'm going to be putting on this unit. This is from Beautyforeverhair, and you guys, this unit is so pretty. Like, I hope you guys can really see. You know what, let me put on my light. So the curls are just juicy and, you guys, so pretty. And this is a 13x6 lace frontal unit, and it came pre-plucked and everything like that. All I did was bleach the knots, as you guys can see. I was really excited to get this wig. It's perfect for like spring and summer. It is so gorgeous. This is what the wig looks like on the inside, and I usually cut off my combs. I'm gonna go ahead and cut those off, and it comes with the straps to make the wig tighter right here in the back, and this right here is your lace portion on each side. It's really simple to cut off these combs. I just use a razor blade and I just slide it down the thread, and it just pulls off. I like taking off my combs because I feel like when you have braids, they cause like irritation. The combs are used for like if you put your wig on with a ponytail and you need the extra security. But since I have braids, that would be pointless, okay? So right now I'm just gonna cut this lace off right here. There you go. This company has secure little latches, so it won't slide off. It's gonna stay secure. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put my wig on, and I have on my new wig grip. If you guys are interested in this wig grip, I will have it linked below. So this new design of wig grip is actually gonna help your wigs to lay flatter, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and pop on my wig. One thing I really love about Beautyforever wigs is that their wigs fit my head so well when I first put them on. Now, I did come pre-plucked, so this is how the pre-plucked hairline looks. I think I'm gonna go in and pluck it a little bit more because I like my wigs a little bit more thinned out. But for the most part, it looks pretty good. I just need to pluck it like a little bit up in here. Some people might not have to pluck anymore, but I need to do just a little bit because I have a really low hairline and everything needs to work. Like, it needs to look perfect. So let me go in and pluck this a little bit and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so again, I'm sorry, the lighting has changed. The sun went down or something like that. So what I'm gonna do is go in and just cut my lace because I'm not gonna be gluing this unit down. I'm just gonna use Got To Be to melt her today. Okay, you guys, so I just finished cutting the lace, and this is how it's looking. Looks pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and pin back the top. I'm going to go in with my blow dryer and my Got To Be focus. There you go. My Got To Be spray. My little brush you guys always ask about, I'll have it linked below. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is spray this on the lace. I don't need the middle part down as far as the other parts, and the sun is coming back. Okay guys, so I just finished tacking it down with the Got To Be, and it looks pretty good. I'm gonna go in to do baby hairs now, And here comes the sun. Everything's gonna get too bright. I'm not gonna do that much baby hair, just a little bit. Doing my baby hair, I like to use my good old Eco Styler. And you guys should know my method right now. I like to gel down before I cut, just to make sure I'm not cutting too much. So I'll do it like that. Okay, you guys, so the baby hair is done. I'm gonna take my blow dryer just to dry it. Okay, now I'm gonna take my blow dryer and smooth my hair into place. I think I want a middle part, yeah. I'm gonna take my blow dryer and just press it into place. Okay, you guys, so the wig is attached. Pretty. I'm gonna go in and redefine the hair right here though. After you use your blow dryer just to like press your hair in place, it's really important to go back and redefine your curls, because the blow dryer can you know, make it look a little straight. But I mean, you don't have to redefine your curls. You could leave them big like this. I just want mine, I want mine defined though. I did notice with this wig that I need to probably go back in and bleach my knots one more time, because they're not all the way lifted. I might use my diffuser to dry this on up because I don't feel like waiting. I like to take my Beyond the Zone flipped out finishing spray, and I like to spray a little bit on the edges and just kind of like brush everything into place. And I like to use my little comb, my little brush rather. And you can do like some swoops or whatever, like I'm doing right here, just to finish off your wig. You know, I just like to give it that little pull back because that gives it a more natural look as well. Okay, you guys, so this is the completed hair. It's just gorgy. Like, it is so pretty. It's like the perfect big curly vacation hair. I'm gonna stand up so you guys can see how long it is, because it's pretty long. It's a really nice length on me. I'm trying to figure out how to position this camera so you guys can get a really good look at the curls. All right, you guys, so I wanted to give you like a up close texture shot. As you guys can see, this is not like your typical curly hair. This hair is very fluffy, lightweight. It doesn't tangle, which is really important. I'm just completely in love with this hair. Like, it's everything. So cute. So again, if you're interested in this beautiful unit, beautiful affordable unit, make sure you check the description bar below. Links and details will be down there. I want to thank you guys so much for still watching my videos, taking your time out to subscribe and comment, all of that good stuff. I really appreciate you guys, and I love everyone that's still been rocking with me all these years. I have something really special coming up soon for you guys, so stay tuned for that. Thanks again for watching, and I will talk to you guys in the next video.